Who's there?
Hello, my name is Oliver. And my name is Toby. And we're selling popcorn for the 21st Capilano group. Would you like to support us by buying some popcorn?
Okay.
Those are just the kernels, microwaved popcorn. And this one too. And then these are already popped, and these are other stuff. Which are already popped. And this is the most popular one.
Oh, so you like that one too?
Yeah. Well, we never tasted any but this one.
But which one?
But this one.
Oh. Okay, I'll buy one. Okay. Say bye-bye and thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Hope you too.
Bye.